50 years ago, Bruce Fabrizio had a bold idea to make cleaning smarter, safer, and greener. After witnessing a fatal chemical accident, he knew there had to be a better way, and that's how Simple Green was born. Armed with his revolutionary formula and a belief in its power, he traveled door to door, showing people you didn't have to compromise quality for safety. Now, half a century later, that simple idea has grown into a trusted global brand. Simple Green remains a pioneer in eco-friendly cleaning with products for home, professional, and industrial use.
We here at Simple Green are proud to celebrate 50 years of innovation, trust, and giving back to the planet we all share.
Safer for people, safer for pets, and the planet.
Happy anniversary, Simple